Hey everybody, it's Ed. I want to do a quick follow-up as I found out more information regarding this scarf. Now I had done a video basically throwing out there that this may be the scarf that is on the Elvis Presley Today LP. And I had taken the evidence that I thought I had and threw it out there, made a video, just to see what people thought or if anybody had any other information that maybe I did not. Believe me, I'm not the end-all, be-all, knowledgeable encyclopedia to Elvis. I may know some things about certain things, but there's a lot of stuff that I don't know. And, again, I felt that was one of the reasons why I made the video, putting it out there that this possibly could be the scarf. So I got a lot of feedback from a lot of people, and I really appreciate you guys watching and giving me the feedback. A lot of you were very supportive, thinking that I did have it. Some of you were a little skeptical, and understandably so. And, again, I do appreciate that. I want to give a shout out to three particular people who really helped me to narrow this down. First being Sir Curtis. I got your link this morning and I went to the link. He sent in the comments, he had linked a message board where the next person I want to thank, Austin 7298, apparently had seen my video, and he was under the impression that the photo for the album cover was taken on July 3rd, 1973 in, I believe, Atlanta, Georgia. And where in the Ed Bonja book that I had, it's stated in here that the photo to the Today album cover was taken on Friday, June 22nd at Nassau Coliseum, which is, of course, the show where my mom got this scarf. All right. However, it appears that somebody had responded to Austin on that website stating that the information in this book is not accurate, or there are misprints, or I don't know, whatever, but apparently I can't go by this. So, and it was also pointed out to me, which I did happen to see, I don't have it with me, I would show it, but on the Legacy edition that Sony released within the past year or so of the CD of the Today album, it does list in there that the cover photo was taken July 3rd in Atlanta, Georgia. So if that information is correct, then that would mean for certain, womp, 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 this is not the scarf on the Today album cover. So it's kind of a bummer, but hey, again, I'd rather know for sure that it's not than to sit here and keep guessing as to whether or not it was. So, with the information that's been provided to me at this point, it appears that this is not the scarf on the album cover. Bummer. Well, it was fun while it lasted, but what are you going to do? However, again, I don't know, I'm going to see if I can get in touch with Ed and just find out about the book, and why it would have, said that, that the photo for this was taken in Nassau Coliseum on June 22nd. So, don't really know. I don't have an answer. But I think at this point, it probably is safe to assume that this scarf is not the same as this scarf, even though they were wearing the same jumpsuit. And again, even though in Ed's book, it claims that the photo to this was taken at the Coliseum. I don't know. So if I get in touch with Ed, I'll see if he can dig up his records, what he might be able to tell me, if anything. And if anything else changes, then I guess I will come back and make another video about it. All right. But, yeah, so I think I said thank you to everybody. Another one I wanted to thank, Joe Crine. Yeah, he had made some comments also. And, again, I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody who watched, who made a comment, either support or skepticism. Either way, it's welcome. And I think that's pretty much it for this one. So we'll leave it at that. So at this point, it does not appear that I do have the scarf that is on this album cover. Oh well. All right, everybody. I appreciate you watching. Good to yourselves, good to each other. Take care.